Put it in drive. Drive it to the end. Keep going. Keep going. That's good right there. Put it in park. Nice. I'm always letting this thing run because that diesel's so old and it's got like a full tank in it. But in the meantime, when I took the turn signals out and the plate, I've got to scrub in there because it was filthy. Give it a little sand, that way it'll be ready for paint. All right, guys, let's go ahead and sand this hood and get it ready for paint. So, sanding a Humvee does not have to be like you're sanding the actual vehicle and you're ready to paint it with a car paint. So I'm going to be Linex in this thing, so it doesn't, I'm hitting with 220. It doesn't have to be the greatest. This stuff's going to stick to this. It's nasty in here. I'm not even sanding the inside unless it needs it. I'm just scrubbing it. It's gross. Guys, that's pretty much it for sanding the outside of this. I just did it with 220. Nothing crazy like you're painting an actual car with car paint. Not when you do Linex. You just basically need a good surface. Kind of rough. And this stuff's already like primer. I mean, it's thick and it's so unforgiving, or it's forgiving when you actually spray the Linex. It goes on very, very well. So that's it.